Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the Inferno Shard in Crow Garden. So in this Campfire Part 3 update, there is a new feature that called the Campfire Ritual. On here, this one. This ritual allows you to add the Inferno mutations to one of your pets. And however, before you can start the ritual, you will need the Inferno Shard. And to get this Inferno Shard, just simply submit fruits to the Bernabe, this NPC. Every time you successfully complete 25 submissions, this one, you will receive one Inferno Shard as a reward. So you can just keep submitting fruits over and over to earn more shards. And since the Campfire Ritual requires 4 Inferno Shards, you will need to complete at least 100 fruit submissions in total to collect enough shards for one ritual. So if you are planning to get the Inferno mutations on your pet, just start farming fruits and keep submitting them to this Bernabe until you have all 4 shards. And this shard will look like this. This one, you can see it, it's so cool. It has a orange color like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.